Perfect. Oh. Medical club. Valentine.
Dissect to Discover workshop of lung dissection. So I work today as a lecturer.
Guys, kidneys.
Lung का है यार. So basically we also found kidneys attached to the lungs, the organs that we are going to dissect. So yeah, that is it. And I worked as a lecturer. I'm a trainer. Sorry, not a trainee, I'm a trainer. Can I get a little bit more excited response? Yeah? Okay, I know it's still early in the morning and some of you might have skipped the breakfast. I think most of them, because I did. It was very early in the morning, so yeah. But it's going to be worth it. So welcome to this session of Lung Anatomy that is presented by MedConnects Overseas. I am Neerva Vanza and I will be your lecturer for today. So yeah. Before we lung as an organ. Okay. Okay, that's a good one. And yeah, yes. Any more answers? Okay, yeah. So can you change the slide, please? Can you all see the presentation? For gas exchange, respiration, and circulation in our body. Now, what are the components of the lung that you guys know? Okay. Bronchi. Yes. Yes. And lobes of the lungs. Okay. And yes, the pleural membrane of the lungs. So, how many surfaces do you know?
4.
Yes.
Diaphragmatic and
we have the interlobar surface. Basically, the costal surface, it is the surface that is present in the anterior part of the lung, and it is the surface that is in parallel or in contact with the ribs. Then we have the mediastinal surface. So as the name suggests, mediastinal surface is the surface that is in contact or parallel to the mediastinum and the heart. Now we have the diaphragmatic surface, and as its name suggests, it is in contact with the diaphragm. And we have the interlobar surface. So as they already mentioned, we have different lobes in our lungs. I'll explain more about it later. So the different lobes, it has, they are in contact with each other. I already explained that it's at the bifurcation, right? So it is slightly elevated over here, and then we have the 2 tubes like this. It is a sensory and sensitive part, and it is basically helping us. Just imagine if there's any kind of foreign object or foreign body that you inhale it. It will lead you to obstruction of your side, or if it's not a very big like foreign body, it will go inside your lung and it will create infection. So for us, to not die, the carina is there. If it is agitated, it will start the cuffing reflex for us so that the foreign body is thrown out of our body. But by any chance it is not thrown out of our body, the carina is slightly tilted or angled towards the right side, so that it goes in the right side, in the right lobe, the foreign object. Now, why do you all think it goes in the right side? Why is the structure like that?
Because the primary bronchi is little vertical compared to the left one, so any foreign particle will enter the right side of the lung before the filling it.
Yeah, that is a good answer. Yes.
The angle is different.
Yeah. So the right side of the the right primary bronchus, it is slightly more vertical than the left one. Both of them are slightly structurally different. The right side is more wider and more.
Hi, so now after this I was done with my lecture and I was waiting as a trainer to give for the second slot I was the trainer, and for the first slot I was the lecturer. So I was waiting for my turn to go and teach students as a trainer about the lung dissection and its anatomy.
Is he clicking? I don't know. I created a video.
Say cheese, guys.
Cheese.
Say MCO, guys.
MCO.
Say Abdul's the best guy.
These are the organs that we are going to dissect.
Guys, kidney again.
अबे यार, इसके तो किडनी नहीं खत्म हो रहा.
क्योंकि मैंने जब करी थी तब
Fresh lung.
esophagus, this one, right, which passes as a
Waiting for my turn as a trainer to go inside and then teach the students. Bye bye. Yeah, this is one of the trainer. Along the lines of this. I know you can also cut this. You can touch this. Just keep one of its look intact so that later if you want to inflate it, we can do it. Yeah. Okay. So basically, these holes, this is the whole thing from the top to the bottom is the primary part. These holes, as you can see, these are the secondary ones. Okay.
Nervous.
Yeah. So these are lungs. Over sheet. So let's try and inflate this lung. I would need someone's help. Can you please pump it? Yeah, pull it. Yes. Can you see? Wow. So this would be the full capacity. Yeah, keep pumping it.
Shriya,
I'm not.
how is it? Please explain.
Horrible. Bad. I'm wearing boots under these.
She forgot the top also. She delivered it here.
Yeah, only the top. It's okay. This is the worst thing ever, but hopefully it becomes the best.
It will be the best.
And I'm hyping myself up for this.
You were very serious. It will be like a busy club.
Yeah, it'll be like a club. कुछ नहीं नीचे बिठा देंगे ऐसे एकदम करेंगे आएंगे
बिल्कुल
माहौल बनाने के लिए श्रेया का नाम ही काफी है 2-3 खंबे लेके आएंगे
खंबे 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 कहाँ खड़े हो गए खंबे इतना इंडल्ज था खंबे
Yeah, guys. So these are our heads right over here.
You're very professional.
After talking about Khamba, you are like very professional.
Very professional apart from the khamba. That is also professional. You drink in professional settings also. You don't drink ऐसे. You drink cocktail. Yes, little. मैं तो सुना भी
ये YouTube के लिए ले रही हूँ मैं.
We wind up with two shots. These are third one, and the shoot is going amazing, very smoothly, beyond expectations.
कोई नेगेटिव फीडबैक नहीं है.
मेरे बारे में भी कुछ बोल दो.
Excellent host, excellent trainer. What else? Multitasker, all rounder. Literally like she has each one of the activity. Like she has attended practice sessions.
That's why she said put me in the
whatever we asked.
मैं गणपति में ऐसे करती थी पता है एक मोदक इधर था एक इधर था इसलिए ये साइज की होगी expected.
Anyway, still I have to go. I'm done with my 2 slots and I'm going now.
We'll see the vlog.
Bye bye.
Tell your followers about my scrubs fuck up also.
It's there. It's there.
Tell your followers to follow me.
Okay. Please follow Asta. Please follow MCO. Please follow everyone. इसको भी follow कर रहे हैं. अभी
Private account. If you want to follow, you can follow me. Big up.
My laptop. Sorry, my bad.
Follow MCO.
follow Isha also.
Guys, you can take
हाँ
screenshots,
भाई.
guys.
हाँ.
कर दो viral
इसको
सबको.
screenshot ले
I
लेना.
wish लाखों views आए इसमें.
मेरे को भी subscribe कर देना. Yeah, guys, this is the behind the scenes of what goes on behind our workshops. We've changed our scrubs and we're going back because we're done. खत्म हो गया. Event done. खाना भी मिल गया. Now we're going back home. It was a very successful event. Oh yeah.
But it was fun.
It was very fun. Trainers signing off. Samosa hunt going on.
Pakad.
Oh god. मिल गया उसको समोसा.
I'm sharing it with you.
Cockroach.
Samosa. Who puts peanuts in samosa?
Diti, you are going to offend a lot of people.
What? Samosa में peanuts नहीं होते. Okay, I am
Some people
offended.
like it.
You can have it side chutney में.
समोसे में whole peanuts कोई नहीं डालता. You should come to Mumbai. हो गया तेरा. We are done with our Sunday. I think this is like the third time I'm saying that in the video. But yeah, done with the trainer session, done with giving my lecture, and now we're going back home. Apartment पे पहुंच गए. Reached home.